ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। स्त्रीलिङ्गशत्रन्तरूपाणि तृतीयाविभक्तिपर्यन्तं दृष्टवन्तः। अद्य तृतीयाविभक्तिरूपाणि। I think we did up to here, number 15.
Yes, sir.
Second case, Srilinga. Let us do from here. अतः दत्तानां सूच्य शब्दानां साहाय्येन कया काभिः किं कृतम् इति। यथा पुल्लिङ्गे तृतीया शत्रन्ततृतीया विभक्तिरूपाणां दृष्टवन्तः कर्मणि प्रयोगे, तथा अत्रापि कया काभिः, by what, by whom. Therefore it is कर्मणि प्रयोगः। गच्छन्ति गच्छन्ति महिला असितम। असितम is निष्ठा प्रत्ययान्त रूपम। असितम त प्रत्ययः कर्मणि भूते प्रयुज्यते। कर्मणि प्रयोगः भूते अर्थे is used. So गच्छन्ति महिला असितम, गच्छन्ति महिला असितम. It's not a sentence, not prayoga is not wrong. That's why he is given hyphen here. गच्छन्त्या महिलया असितम कर्मणि. Laughing was done by the going woman. We can note here this asitam is akarmaka dhatu. Karmaka dhatuhu kartari prayoge api prayujyate. Gachanti mahila asita, that is valid. That is kartari prayoga. Gachanti mahila hasita, the sentence is valid. Asita astatoho tanta rupa asita. Gatyarthaka dhatu, akarmaka dhatu, and some other dhatu, shing, etc. These dhatus can be used, can be the pratyanta forms of these dhatus can be used to refer to karta. karta is abhigitam, therefore kartari prayoga. Here it is not asita, asitam. Therefore he says it's karmani prayoga. When asitam to be used, then it should be karmani prayoga. If it is hasita, then kartari prayoga. A small thing, you should be able to see through this, right?
Yes.
Geetam smaranti sa. Okay. Samyak na geetam. So I think can do both of you. How do you do, Judy?
So samyak na geetam, taya samyak na geetam.
Yes.
So geetam smarantya taya samyak na geetam.
Yes. Geetam smarantya taya samyak na geetam. Smrudatu. First conjugation. That is why num is there. The very pratipadikam itself. Smaranti, smarantyo, smarantya. Taya samyak na geetam. Second sentence. Rajaji.
Likanti chatra madhye chintanam.
No. Likanti chatra is not it's not a sentence. Likanti chatra. Subject. Predicate is madhye chintanam kritam.
So it be likantya chatraya madhye chintanam kritam.
Yes. What does it mean?
Likanti chatraya, by the student who were writing. Chintanam means thinking. Thinking was, they were thinking when they were writing.
Only one student is, not many.
Yeah, by the student.
Thinking was done in between madhye or during between by the student who was writing. Madhye chintanam kritam. Taya madhye chintanam kritam. She thought, when the thinking, she thought while writing. Marichikam kadanti bhalika. Okay. Jyoti.
Balikaya rodanam kritam. So khadantya balika marichikam khadantyam balika khadantya balikaya rodanam kritam.
Rodanam kritam is equal to ruditam.
Ruditam.
Yes. It is kritam. Why it is napumsakalinga? Because
Rodanam.
okay, why it is ruditam? Why it is napumsakalinga? Why not ruditaha? Why not rudita?
Because it is karmani. If it is kartar, it would become rudita.
No, yeah, that's fine. But because the object is not there. This is bhavya prayog.
So ekvachanam.
Therefore, napumsaka dvitiya vibhakti ekavachananta rupam. Bhavya prayoga. That's why it's karmani, but we don't say karmani. Karma not there. Bhavya prayoga. Bhavya prayoga atah napumsaka dvitiya pratama ekavachanantatvam. Okay.
This is Napumsakalika. This is Pratama Vibhakti or Titviya?
Pratama Vibhakti, either which one?
The Kritam, you say.
Sorry, what did I say?
You said
Kshamita.
Dvitiya
No.
Vibhakti, yeah.
That's by mistake. Yeah. Why Dvitiya? Okay. Which is Napumsaka Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanantatvam. Why Dvitiya Vibhakti? Ridiculous. Yes, sorry. Yes. This Dvitiya Vibhakti maybe because of this Kriya Visheshan. I was discussing this some class before, 2 days before. Kriya Visheshananam Kanmatvam Vishyate Napumsaka Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanantatvam. There I said, probably that is there in my mind still. That comes up. Okay, that is the Karma Vishya, Kriya Visheshan, adverb. Sorry, here it is Bhave Prayoga, therefore Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanantatvam is correct. Yes. Dvitiya Bhakti is meaningless. Also. Yes. Good point. Yes. I was not aware of what I'm saying because it's hangover. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please continue.
So Dirghavakyam Vadanti Sa Doshah Krita. This will become Dirghavakyam Vadantya Taya Doshah Kritah.
Yes. Doshaha Kartaha. So it's Karmani Prayoga. Because karma is there. Rodhanam Kritam also Karmani Prayoga because Rodhanam is karma. Okay. Previous sentence. When I say Ruditam, then karma not there. Okay, Jyotiji.
Yes.
Ruditam is equal to Rodhanam Kritam.
Mm.
When we say Ruditam, there is no karma. Rodhanam Kritam, that Rodhanam is the
Yes.
karma. Similarly, previous Chintanam Kritam, Chintanam is karma. Otherwise, you can say Madhye Chintitam.
Chintitam.
Similarly, first one also. Samyak Nagitam, that's okay, fine. Next sentence.
Sambhashanam kurvatya. So margam visprutam ताभिः सम्भाषणं कुर्वद्भिः ताभिः मार्गं विस्मृतम्.
No. Marga is karma, right? Why should be margam? Why are you changing that vibhakti? Marga already it is karma object. It is a marga vismatha pratama vibhakti only. How can will become margam?
Okay. कुर्वद्भिः ताभिः कुर्वद्भिः ताभिः.
So here we change doshaha kritaha into something. No?
Got it.
Yeah. So marga is the object. Karmani prayoga. Marga vismrtaha. Kaya taya. Kidrishi sa अथवा कीदृशया तया
सम्भाषणं
कुर्वत्या तया किं कुर्वत्या तया सम्भाषणं कुर्वत्या तया मार्गः विस्मृतः. सम्भाषणं कुर्वती सा मार्गं विस्मृता कर्तरि. Right? Okay.
So it is bahuvachan taha.
Yeah, sorry. Vismrtaha then. Bahuvachan. Yes. Sambhashanam kurvatyaha is a bahuvachan. Okay. Yeah. Sambhashanam kurvatyaha. Yeah. Sambhashanam kurvatyah taha margam vismrtaha. Now here, yes, tabihi, yes. Sambhashanam kurvati bihi tabihi margaha vismrtaha. Okay. Ekavachanam, nothing wrong. The sentence is not wrong. But anyway, it's Bhagavachanam here. Okay. Next sentence.
Geetam Shrinvati Anuja Nidra Krita. So will become Geetam Shrinvatya Anujaya Nidra Krita.
Read again.
Geetam Shrinvatya.
Yeah, there. It is not Shru, it is Shrinvati.
Okay, Shrinvatya. Okay, Shrinvatya Anujaya Nidra Krita.
This is common mistake we do. I also do sometimes. This Shru is the original dot that becomes Shir. And also Ganavikarna is Shnu, even though first conjugation. Shruva Shrecha Sutram is by that. Shru is replaced by Shri, and Shnu Ganavikarna also will come in the place of Shap. First Shrin. Shrinvatya Anujaya. That's why not Numa also. It is not first conjugation. I mean, sorry, the Dhatu first conjugation, but the Ganavikarna is Shnu. In fact, first conjugation Num will come, we say That is, as per the sutra, it doesn't say first conjugation, bhuvadi gana like that. It is referred to by the gana vikarna, shap. That which is before shatra, shap comes, then num will come for shatra. Shap when it will come only for first conjugation. Even though the dhatu is first conjugation, but doesn't take shap. Instead, shnu comes. Therefore, no num. No shrunvati, it is shrunvati, it's a pratipadika. Shrunvati, shrunvatyo, shrunvatyah, kurvati, kurvatyo, kurvatyah. Okay. Shrunvati, nidra krita, yes. Kartari, it will be Geetam, Shrunvati, Anuja, Nidram, Sutavati. Nidra is like Rama Shabda. Nidram, Krutavati. Okay. Next sentence.
गृहकार्यं विस्मृतं गृहिणीभिः स्वजल्पनं कुर्वतीभिः गृहिणीभिः गृहकार्यं विस्मृतम्.
Yes. Grihini, Nadi, Grihakaryam, Grihasya Karyam, Vismrutam. Grihakaryam is Napumsakalinga, therefore Vismrutam. Karmani Prayoga. Okay, next one.
Trunam charantyah denavah spavatsah smritah. So it will be Trunam charantibihi denubihi swavatsah smritah.
Yes. Swasya Vatsaha, Swavatsaha, Shashti Tat Purusha Samasaha, Swavatsaha, Smritaha, Trunam, Charantyaha, Denavaha, Swavats, Sam, Smrita, Smrita, Patyaha. I'm saying in Kartari Prayoga.
Yes.
Next one.
महिलाभिः बहु सम्भाषणं कृतं भक्ष्याणि खादन्तीभिः महिलाभिः बहु सम्भाषणं कृतम्.
Yes. So Bhagu is adjective to Sambhashan. Sambhashanam. Bhagu Bhaguni, Bhaguni, Bhagu Bhaguni, Bhaguni. It is adjective, not aviya. Bhagu is declinable. So Sambhashan Napumsakalinga, therefore Bhagu. Karanta Shabda Bhagu. So Bhakshyani Kadantyah Mahilaha Bhagu Sambhashanam Krutavatyah. Kartari Prayogaha. Okay, next one.
Charcham kurvatyah tah shigram nagatam. It will be Charcham kurvatibihi.
Kurvati, not Kurvat, Kurvat.
Kurvatibihi tabihi shigram nagatam.
Yes. Charcham Kurvati Bihi Tabiki Shigram Nagatam. Charcham Kurvatyaha Taha Shigram
गतवत्यः.
Gatavatyah. Right? Shigram Gatam. What is Shigram here?
Is अव्ययम्?
It is Shigram is here it is Kriya Visheshan. That is why it is Napumsakalinga Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachananta. So we can say here. Shigram is Kriya Visheshan. It is adverb. Charcham kurvatyah taha shigram na gatavatyah. Shigram is Kriya Visheshan. How the action is done. Shigram. Shigrena also we can say. But Shigram is there. It is, you can take it as adverb. Qualifies the verb Gamanakriya Gatam. Okay. It is not karma. Okay. Gatam is Gamanakriya, right? Moving.
Mm, mm.
So the movement is done to reach a place. Gamanakriya Uttara Desha Praptihi is Ichitaha, is desired. Ishtaha. Uttara Desha Prapti Ichaya Gamana Kriya Krita. So the place of reach, destination, that is object. How can Shigram be in the object? That cannot be. Therefore, we can rule out. Shigram is not the object. It is Kriya Visheshanam adverb here. Therefore, Napumsaka, Dvitiya Vakti, Ekavachanantatvam, Dvitiya Vakti. Okay, please note. Shigram na gatam, mandam gatam, all those things. Mandam. Mandam you can say, mandena also you can say. That mandena is due to different something, but mandam is tapumsaka, titya bhakti ekavachanantat. Here it is adverbial. Okay, next sentence.
खादनं आकाशवाणी शृण्वत्या तया खादनं विस्मृतम्. कर्ता will be विस्मृता. खादनं विस्मृता.
In Kartariya, yeah. Yes. Akashavani. Shunvati. Akashavani is what vibhakti, what vachanam?
It is प्रथम एकवचनं वाणी.
It's a mistake.
आकाशवाणीं शृण्वति.
That
The
dot is
Akashvani.
missing. Dot is anuswara is missing.
Mm.
Akashavanim Shunvati sa Kadaram Vismritam. Therefore, Shunvatya Taya.
Mm.
Kadaram Vismritam. Right?
Mm.
So, Kadaram is the object. Therefore, Karmani Prayoga. Kartari would be Akashavanim Shunvati sa Kadanam Vismrita.
विस्मृता.
Here, Karman. We have to use Tritiya. Therefore, Shunvatya Taya.
Mm.
Okay, next one.
Kridantya
That is mistake.
Vidyarthinya.
There is no Kridantya.
क्रीडन्ति.
Kridantya.
It's a typo, yes.
Uchai Hasitam. So it should be Kridantibihi Vidyarthinibihi Uchai Hasitam.
Uchehi also, we
क्रिया
don't,
विशेषण.
yeah, it's clear, the manner in which action is done. Yes. Kriya Visheshanam, that word is not used because if that Kriya Visheshanam is Napumsakalinga, Dvitiya Ekavachanantam, Vartikam is there. But this is by some other rule. We can say the manner in which action is done. It's like adverbial, Kriya Visheshanam. Yes. Those two. You can say the word is not used, but it is, of course, is adverb. It qualifies how the action is done. So adverbial usage. Uchaihi asitam. Tritiya. So kridanti bihi vidyarthi bihi. Kridantyaha vidyarthinyaha. Uchaihi. Same uchaihi only. Uchaihi asitavatyaha. Next one.
महिलाभिः पश्यन्तीभिः महिला शाटिकां पश्यन्तीभिः महिलाभिः समयः न ज्ञातः.
Yes. Samayaha is karma, object. So shatikam pasyantyaha mahilaha samayaha jnatavatyah. Okay. Now chaturthi. नलिन्याः गृहे कश्चन विशेषकार्यक्रमः अस्ति. You can follow, I think.
Mm.
In the house of Nalini, there is some special program.
Special occasion. Mm.
तदर्थं बान्धवाः बहवः उपस्थिताः सन्ति. Many are attended,
Friends
many
are
are
present.
present. कस्यै किं दातव्यम् इति नलिन्याः अम्बा नलिनीम् उक्तवती. To whom what should be given. That is why चतुर्थी सम्प्रदानम्.
Mm.
तत् अधः सूचितम् अस्ति. It's given below. तदाधारेण भवन्तः वाक्यानि रचयन्तु. कस्यै किं दातव्यम्. So first sentence. Jalpanti Bagini Shutaha. So how do you form a sentence?
Bhaginyai.
Hmm?
Jalpantyai bhaginyai.
Jalpantyai bhaginyai
Hmm. Shutaha.
bhavati syutam
Datavyam.
dadatu. Dadatu.
Yeah, you can say Bhavati. Here it is Datavyam is there. Therefore Bhavatya. Suppose a mother says to the daughter, then Tvaya, you can say. Tvaya Jalpantyai Bhaginyai Syutaha Datavyaha.
Mm.
Because Kim Datavyam means that is what we are going to see after this topic. Krityaha Datavyam Tavya Prataya. What should be given? So we can add, this is Karmani. Tvaya, you can say, Karta in Tritiya, Tvaya, by her, by whom? By you. Not by her, by you is, that is the daughter. Mother says to the daughter. Amba Badati. Tvaya Jalpantyai Bhaginyai, right? Syutaha Datavyaha. Syutaha Pullinga Dafa Datavyaha. If it Napumsakalinga Datavyam. If it is Strilinga, Datavya. Accordingly, Vachanam also. Right? Depending on the Vachanam and depending on the gender also. Okay. Syutaha Ekavachanam. Syutaha Datavyaha. Syutau Datavyo. Syutaha Datavyaha. Like that. Second sentence.
Stotram pathanti pitamahi. Pitamahyai. Pathantyai. Stotram pathantyai. Pitamahyai falani.
Datavyani.
Datavyani.
Datavyam, Datavya Pratipadikam. Like Pala Shabda. Datavyam, Datavye, Datavyani. Palam Datavyam, Pale Datavye, Palani Datavyani. Kasyai Pitamagyai.
Pitamahyai.
Pitamahyai Datavyani. Right? Kidrishi Pitamahi, Patanti Pitamahi. Right? Kidrishyai. Next one. Kidrishayai, actually. Kidrishi is there. I think Kidrisha Akaranta Shabda. Ikaranta also. Kidrishi. Yeah. Kidrishi. Let's say. Yes.
Next one is Pakam Kurvati Bhratrujaya Patram.
Bratra Jaya, wife of the brother.
Hmm.
Bratuhu Jaya.
Okay. So it will be Pakam Kurvatyai Bhratrujayai Bhavati Patram Dadatu.
Oh, that's okay. That's also good. You can say like that. Start using Datavyam, say Dadatu. Yes. Lot Lakara. You give the vessel Dadatu. That's fine. Bhati you said, yes. Artham. About the dadatu. If you are using, therefore bhavati is better. Bhavati only. If it is tvam, then yacha. I mean, I'm using simple one, right? Okay. Pakam, otherwise, pakam kurvate bratra jayai, bratra jayai, patram datavyam. If you use datavya, then datavyam, patram datavyam should be used. Okay.
Because the example they have used Bhavati. So
Bhavati?
no, in the example they have given Bhavati Dadatu only they have. So that's why.
Okay, fine. Anyway, we can use it's not a problem. Yes, Bhavati, data, this is, you are using kartari. I'm saying in karmani using tavya pratyaya. As it is given the heading. Both are same only. Meaning wise, prayoga wise, of course, difference. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you can follow as it given also. Yeah, next one.
येषं अग्रजायै प्रसादयन्त्यै येषं प्रसादयन्त्यै अग्रजायै केशसूच्यः ददातु.
You understand the meaning, right?
केशसूची is hairpin.
Yeah. So prasadayanti is braiding the hair. Prasadayanti. केशं प्रसादयन्ति अग्रजायै शेषसूच्यः दातव्यः अथवा भवति केशं प्रसादयन्तीं अग्रजां, right? केशसूच्यं ददातु. Then this will become object द्वितीया विभक्ति, right? This will, you cannot use prathama vibhakti, Rajaji. I don't know what vibhakti used the previous sentence. Previous sentence dadatu, right? You.
Yeah.
So there we have to say bhavati pakam kurvatim bratrajayam patram dadatu. You have to use make all this into dvitiya vibhakti. If you use dvitiya vibhakti, then that is the dadatu. You can say bhavati dadatu tam dadatu. Sorry, Kshamita. It is Chaturthi only, Kshamita. Why dvitiya vibhakti? It is Chaturthi. We are doing Sampradana, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Chaturthi only, Kshamita. Yes. Then Chaturthi, the example we are doing, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Sorry. Chaturthi only. Why dvitiya vibhakti? Yeah. Dvitiya vibhakti is what is given is dvitiya vibhakti, karma. And here it is Sampradana, Karmana, Yam, Aviprati, Sa Sampradana. Therefore, all these are Sampradana only. That's why Chaturthi Bhakti. So that will be common. Whether you use Dadatu or Datavya, that doesn't matter. Chaturthi Bhakti. Yes. So Kesham Prasadayanti Agrajahi Bhavati Keshasuchyam, that is object. Dadatu, Bhavati Dadatu. Atava Kesham Prasadayanti Agrajahi Keshasuchyah Dhatavyaha should be given. General state should be given. Okay, next one.
Vartam Shunvati Matulani Paniyam. So it will be Vartam Shunvatyai Matulayai Bhavati Paniyam Dadatu.
Matulani is there. So Matulani is a Pratipadika, not Matula. Then it becomes
Matulayai.
not Matulaya. Then he goes away. No? How can he go? So Nadi become Nadi, right? Matulani will become
Matulanyai.
Matulani, not Matulai, right?
Okay.
Because Matulani is a Pratipadikam, not Matula. If it is Matula, then Matulai. Matulani, then Matulani. Vatam Shunvati Matulangi Paniyam Bhavati Dadatu or Bhavatya. That is Tritiya. That is also Tritiya. Paniyam Datavyam. When we use Paniyam Datavyam, who gives Bhavati will become Bhavatya. That becomes Kartari Prayoga. Karta is Bhavati Tritiya Bhakti. Bhavatya Paniyam Datavyam. Kasyai Bhartam Shunvatye Matulanyai Paniyam Datavyam Bhavatya. If you say Bhavati, then Paniyam Dadatu. Bhavati Paniyam Dadatu. Kasya, same thing. Bhartam Shunvatye Matulanyai. Right? Okay.
Yes.
So Bhavati Dadatu, Bhavatya Datavyam. Anything you can use. One is Kartri, other one is Karmani. Whatever it is, that to whom it is given, the object goes. That is Sampradana, Chaturthi. And here are all these, they are Srilinga. Okay, next one.
Guruji, previous sentence. Kesha Suchyaha.
Datavya.
Datavyaha Suchya.
Okay. Kesha, yes, sorry. I took it as Kesha Suchya. Yeah. Kesha Suchya Datavyaha Bhagavachanam. Yes. Kesha Suchi Ekavachanam. Suchi Suchya Suchya. Sorry, I overlooked that also. So we have to be alert, huh? Kesha Suchi. We should not take for granted any word. Kesha Suchya Datavyaha. That is correct. Yes. Okay, please continue.
Karmakari margin. So Karmakaryai Bhumim Marjantyai Karmakaryai Marjana Vastram Datavyam.
Datavyam. Bhavatya Datavyam Bhumim Marjayantyai Karmakaryai. Or Bhavati Bhumim Marjayantyai Karmakaryai Marjana Vastram Dadatu. Okay. So to say that Bhavati Bhumim Marjayantim Karmakarim Marjana Vastram Dadatu is wrong actually. Okay. Don't never make a Marjayanti Karmakari into Dvitiya Bhakti. That is wrong. Because we have the rule, the karma goes to whom? The recipient of this karma. That will be Sampradana. Sampradana will be Chaturthi. So, if you hear somebody saying, using Dvitiya Bhakti, then it is Ashuddha only, Ashuddha Vakya. Okay. There are some dhatu, Dvikarmaka dhatus we saw, where a certain vibhakti it will take, in the absence of which we can use Dvitiya Bhakti. That's that 12 plus 4, 16 dhatus. There we have option, but not here. Karmana yam abhipraiti sa sampradhanam. By karmana, by object, karta yam karmana yam kartuhu, karta yam karmana yam sambandhanati. That will take a sanya sampradhana. And sampradhana has to be chaturthi. Karta makes by the object connect with something or someone. That is sampradhana. So never you should use Dvitiya Bhakti, even in dream. Okay. Because sampradhana is that's a sutra rule. The beginners will get doubt this. Why shouldn't be Dvitiya Bhakti? No. Dadatu is there. No, it is not. Dada, the point is Dadatu is not a Dvikarmaka dhatu. Cannot take to karma. So Marjana Vastram, Karma Karim, Bhavan Dadatu is wrong. Because Dadatu, if it is Dvikarmaka, then okay. It's not Dvikarmaka dhatu. It is neither in the first 12 or 14, the next one for 4. So it is not Vikarmaka Dhatu. When it is not Vikarmaka Dhatu, there is no optionality. Ditya Bhakti is ruled out. Therefore, Sampradana Karaka, therefore Chaturthi only. Okay. Please note, important. Because I also you said by mistake and corrected immediately. It can never be Vidya. Vidya Bhakti, when it can come, when the Dhatu is Vikarmaka Dhatu, then Vidya Bhakti. For that also Sutram is there. Akatitam Cha, Sutram is there. That is for those 12 plus 4, 16 Dhatus. When the speaker doesn't want to present in a particular karaka, he can use karma karaka. That's what the rule says. The karmaka dhatus are those dhatus which can take to karma. Pradhana karma, gauna karma. Pradhana karma, of course, karma, that is, will take Ditya Bhakti. Gauna karma, there we have choice. If the speaker doesn't want to present the gauna karma, the secondary object, in Dvitiya Bhakti, in any other Bhakti, he can present in Dvitiya Bhakti. So that's why Vikarmaka Dhatus can take to karma, we say. But Dhatu not Vikarmaka. Therefore, object of giving karma, to whom the object is given, Sampradana Chaturthi. Okay, next sentence.
Bahi Pashyanti Saki Shiram. To be Bahihi Pashyantyai Sakyai Bhavati Shiram Dadati.
Yes. Bhagihi. What Unatti Bhagihi? Indeclinable. Don't try to decline. It is Bhagish. Bhagis. It is. Bhagis. Skaranta. It is Avyaya. So, Bhagihi Pashyante Sakyai Bhavatya Kshiram Dhatavyam Atava Bhavati Kshiram Dadatu. Okay, next sentence.
Bahihi is outside, is it?
Outside, yes, Bhagihi. Indeclinable. Antar Bhagis, that Bhagis can decline that. Okay.
स्वगृहं गच्छन्त्यै प्रतिवेशिन्यै कुङ्कुमं दातव्यम्.
Yes. Prativeshini is
Neighbor.
Yes. Prativeshini. Tasye kunkumam datavyam atava prativeshinye kunkumam dadatu. Bhavati. Okay, next sentence.
Devam Namaskurvati Pitruvya Pushpani. So it will be Devam Namaskurvatyai Pitruvya. I don't know what is the
Pitruvya, Srilinga. Pitruvyai.
Pitruvya.
Sorry, not Pitruvyai. This is Ramayai.
Pitruvyayai.
Pitruvyayai. Yeah.
Okay, Pitruvyayai Bhavati Pushpani Dadat.
Yes.
Pitruvyayai.
So Pitruvya is uncle's wife?
Yes. Pitruvyaha, Srilinga. Pitruvya, auntie. So, aunt. So, Pitruvyayai. Yes. Pushpani, Datavyani or Pushpani Tadatu. Next one.
Anujayai Kandukam Marge Kridantyai Anujayai Kandukam Datavyam.
Okay. Kandukam has given Napumsakalinga. Kanduka, as I know, it is Pullinga. It's okay. But the Kandukam he has given because the exercise he has given Dadatu. That is why he has given that as object. So, Kandukam Dadatu Kandukaha Datavya. If you are using that Tavya Pratyanta. Then Kandukaha Datavyaha, you have to say. Okay, next one.
Kakalim gayanti sa kimapi karyam. So to be Kakalim gayantyai sa tasyai bhavati kimapi karyam dadatu.
Yes. What is Kakalim Gayanti?
Singing softly or
So, Kimapi Karyam Dadatu, give us some,
work.
or give us some work. So it means Kakali Gayanti is, she is, what to say, who is, there's a word called Kakali Rava. Kakali Rava is the, what to say, that is this shouting or cuckoo sound, Kakali Rava, is it. So Kakali is something that
Sweetly.
not sweetly. What is the English word for that? I'm just trying to look at it. Yeah, that's a sweetly. Yes, Kakali. Sweetly. So Kakalim is the object. So Kakalim Gayanti. Kimapi Karim Dadatu. Kakali, the word I came across recently. I don't remember the context. Anyway, the word Kakali Rava is the Rava is this noise. So Kakali Rava is the noise, the cuckoo. But here it is not the noise here. Maybe the one who sings, but with softly, slowly. That is Kakali Rava. Okay, Kakali Rava, Gayatri. Then Panchami. Apadana is Panchami. That from where something moves, goes away. That reference, that is Panchami. Apadane Panchami. Not only Apadana, that is a Panchami, so many other in Panchami. Dhruvam Apaya Apadana, that is important sutra. Then Vitra Tarambaya Hetuku. So Paraja Rasaudaha, so many sutrams are there. All are Panchami, but mainly Apadana Panchami only we will see in these exercises. Okay. Panchami Vibhakti. You can see Panchami. That is also Srilinga. Avarane Tri Rupani Dattani Santi. You have to choose. Teshu Uchitam Rupam Chitva Ruktastanani Purayata. Marge dash Shunakitaha. Aham Bitaha. Right? Marge Shunakitaha. Marge dash Shunakitaha Aham Bitaha. So within bracket, Atantyaha, Atantya, Atanyi.
Atantya is Tritiya, so it has to be the first one. Atantyaha.
No.
Panchami.
Okay, yeah. Atantya is Tritiya, yes. Atantya Chaturthi and Panchami has to come. Therefore,
Atantyaha.
Atantyaha. Right? Shunakitaha is
From the female dog.
from the dog. Shuna is dog, yes. Shunakitaha. So Marge Atantyaha. Shunakitaha. Shunaki is a word. Shunakitaha, how do you decline? How do you decline Shunakitaha? Shunakita is Pratama Vibhakti. Should we not make Atantyaha also is there? Therefore, Shunakityaha, something like that.
Mm.
Because Shunakitaha is Pratama Vibhakti, right? It doesn't fit in, right? It's or no? It is not. The dog, the word for dog is Shwan. In Pullinga, when it declined, becomes Shwa, Shwano, Shwanaha. Shwanam, Shwano, Shunaha. Shuna, Shwabhyam, like that it is declined. In Srilinga, the word Shwan becomes Shunaki or Shunaka, dog. You can take Shunaka. The Shwan is also is there, that becomes Shwa, that is different. There are many words for dog. Shwa is there, Kukura is there, Sarameyaha is there. But here Shunaka is also dog only. Strilinga of Shunaka is Shunaki.
Mm.
Right? Strilinga of the word Shunaki. But it is not Shunaki. Shunakitaha. It is Pancham Yarte Tasal Pratyaya Taha is added. So Shunakitaha is, it has a sense of Panchami. Therefore, Shunakyaha. Shunakyaha, it is equal to Shunakitaha. That is what he is saying. Don't look for this in the dictionary. You will never get Shunakitaha, the word you will not get. Shunaki you will get. But Shunakitaha is from the female dog. Shunaki Pratipadikams. Like Aham Vidya Laya Vidyalayat Griham Gachami. Suppose the sentence is I can say Aham Vidyalayataha Griham Gachami. Vidyalayataha is equal to Vidyalayat. In the sense of Panchami, one pratyaya, tas is a pratyaya. Okay. That can be added. We'll see that in many places. We have seen that I think before also. Panchami Artha. Therefore, don't think Shunaki Taha is Prathama, then you have to declare, correct it and change it to Panchami Vikti. No. Shunaki Taha is equal to Shunakyaha. Therefore, Atantyaha, Shunakyaha, Atava Shunaki Taha. Aham Bitaha. If Shunakitaha also Prathama Vibhakti, Aham also Prathama Vibhakti, then two Prathama Vibhaktis are there, then for Aham, Shunakitaha becomes adjective. Then I become the dog then. Then Bitaha is what? No meaning. It has no meaning at all. Aham Bitaha, I am afraid. Bitaha is Bidatu, Akarmaka Dhatu, therefore Ta Pratyaya can be used to refer the Karta. The Karta is Aham. I am afraid. I got afraid. Afraid of the wandering street dogs. Street dogs, the female street dogs. Marge on the way and the path. Right? So Shunaki Taha, please note. Panchami Arte Tasal Panchami meaning is that. That becomes clear when you read further examples. Pariksha Taha, next one you can see. Pariksha, we know. What is Pariksha Taha? Pariksha Yaha. Shaivinga. Pariksha Yaha Panchami. Pariksha Taha is equal to is Pariksha Taha from the exam. Dash Parikshatah Mama Bhaginyaha Bhitihi Asti. Bhitihi is a Srilinga. Bhiti is the word itself is Srilinga. This is another pratyaya, tin pratyaya, like Gatihi, Matihi, Buddhihi, somebody Bhitihi. So Bhitihi. Mama Bhaginyaha Bhitihi Asti. My sister has fear. Of what?
The coming exam.
Yaha Parikshayaha. Parikshayaha. Not Parikshaya. Parikshayaha or Parikshataha. This is very easy. If you want to use Panchami, if you don't remember Panchami Bhakti of that Shabda, you can always add Taha to that Pratipadikam and then say this simple. Vrikshataha Palam Patanti, Palani Patanti means from the tree, Vrikshat. Vrikshataha, right? So this is Tasal Pratyaya. Yeah, please try. Then other sentences.
So, Prabhanta प्रवहन्त्याः नदीतः जनाः जलं नयन्ति सो नद्याः प्रवहन्त्याः नद्याः और
Yes.
नदीतः
Yes. Next one.
Third one, Guruji.
Yeah.
So it be Vikasantyaha Mallikatah Madhumakshika Madhu Pibati.
Yes. Simple one. Madhumakshika, Madhu Pipati. Madhu is honey.
Honey.
Madhu is honey. Madhumakshika, honey bee. So Madhu is karma, object. So Madhumakshika, honey bee, drinks honey from the blooming Mallika, jasmine, flower.
Yes.
Singular, only one. So here, Madhu Pipati, Madhu is honey. Can we take it as a Kriya Visheshanam? Madhu Madhuni, Madhuni, Madhu Madhuni, Madhuni. That is, honeybee drinks sweetly. That meaning will not fit in. Grammatically, you can take Madhu also as a Kriya Visheshanam to adverb to Pivati, but meaning wise it will not fit. Drinking sweetly. No, no. Drinking honey. Understand? Such small thing, but grammatically correct. If you can take Madhu to be a Kriya Visheshan. But Arthataha, it will not fit in there. So Madhu has to be karma. Whether it is Kriya Visheshanam or karma, it has to be Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachan. And the form is happens to be same. Napumsakalinga, therefore, Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, Madhu happens to be, the form happens to be same. Therefore, sometimes suppose you may think, why not Kriya Visheshanam? Kriya Visheshanam, see the translation, won't fit. Drinking sweetly, no. Drinks honey. Speaks, okay, speaks sweetly, you can say, but drinking sweetly doesn't fit in there. Okay, next sentence.
भक्त्या तुष्यन्त्याः देवतातः वरं प्राप्नोमि.
So Devata, the Tushyantyah, Devata Srilinga, Devatataha, see, Devata plus Tasal Pratyaya. Tas is Padant, I mean, you had, it becomes Devatas, then add Pratyaya, Supratyaya will go away anyway. Then Devatas will be there. Devatas Padanta Sakara, Ru becomes Repa, therefore Devata Taha. Devatayaha ityartaha. Tushyantiyaha devatayaha, pleased devata. Bhaktiya, by devotion, out of devotion, from the devata who is pleased. Aham varam prapnomi. I gain
Get away.
varam. Yes. Next sentence.
This will be Garjantyaha Vyagritah Pantaha Bitaha.
Yes. Pantaha is traveler.
Travelers.
Bahuvachana. Patin is path. Patin nakaranta shabda. Pantaha, that is difference. Pantaha, Pantaha, Panthano, Pantanaha, Pantanam, Pantano, Pataha, the traveler. But path, Marga. Pantaha referring to the traveler. Okay. Pantaha, path. Pantaha, traveler. Singular I'm saying. Pantaha, Margaha, Pantaha, traveler. And Pantaha, travelers. Bhagavachana. Bitaha, afraid of what? Female tigress.
Tiger.
Vyagritaha, Vyagriyaha, Garjantyaha, from the roaring tiger, female tigress. Yeah, next sentence.
उपविशन्त्याः सखीतः अहं लेखनीं स्वीकृतवती. उपविशन्त्याः.
Yes. Aham therefore has to be Napumsakalinga, right? That's why Svikrutavati. If I say Aham Svikrutavan, if you say Aham Svikrutavati, right?
Mm.
Okay, next sentence. Sakitaha, Sakyaha.
सख्यः.
So it will be Shiro Vedanam
Mm.
Janayantyaha Vartabhyah Sah Jugupsati.
Jana, right? Janayantyaha. Janayantyaha not there at all,
Sorry.
right?
Jan-
Vartabhyaha Bhagavachanam. Therefore, you have to select only Bhagavachanam. Bhagavachanam means Bhyaha will be there in Panchami.
Okay. Janayat. It will be Janayantibhyah.
Yes. Because Janayanti is a Pratipadikam. Therefore, Janayanti Bhyaha Vartabhyaha Saha Jugupse. Shrovedana Janayantibhyaha Vartabhyaha Saha Jugupse. Jugupsate. Jugupsate means
It's
despise. Yeah, despising. It has got dislike, aversion, hate for the news which create
which causes headache.
a
Headache.
headache. Headache causing news. Okay. Next sentence.
आगच्छति आगच्छन्तिभ्यः आगच्छन्तिभ्यः आपत्तिभ्यः भगवान् मां रक्षति.
Yes. From the impending dangers. Apattis. Apattibhyaha. Apatti is a Pratipadika. Agachanti. Bhagavachan. Impending dangers. Bhagavan protects me. Yes. Next one.
अध्यापकः पठन्तीभ्यः छात्राभ्यः अलसाः दूरीकरोति.
Yes. Simple one. Duri karoti. Keeps away. Keeps away what? From these?
Laziness.
Yes. Adhyapakaha alasaha. Alasaha, what vibhakti?
बहुवचनं.
बहुवचनं.
प्रथमा द्वितीया बहुवचनं.
It has to be Dvitiya, can't be Prathama, right?
द्वितीया बहुवचनं.
Yes. Alasa Shabda. Like Rama Shabda. Alasa referring to the laziness. Alasaha referring to lazy person. So, therefore Alasaha. Alasaha can be referring to not laziness, lazy person actually.
Lazy people.
Lazy people. He keeps them away from the reading students because Alasaha, the lazy students will disturb. So, therefore Alasa referring to the person. Right? Alasyam is the laziness. So Alasaha, Pullinga, lazy person. Alasa, Strilinga, lazy woman, lazy girl, whatever it is. Alasyam is laziness. Okay. So Alasa, there is no word Alasa. Alasyam is there. But here Alasaha. So therefore Alasa is the Pratipadika. Pullinge Alasaha, Alaso, Alasaha. And Strilinge Alasa, Alase, Alasaha. And it is Dvitiya Bhakti, form is Alasaha. Therefore, Pratipadikam has to be Alasa, Strilinga only, cannot be Pullinga. Therefore, the teacher keeps away the lazy female students, lazy people, females from the reading students. So you can say lazy female students away. from the studious female students. Right. Okay, next one.
तर्जयन्तीभ्यः महिलाभ्यः सः बालकः भीतः.
Tarjanti is threatening. Tarjani is the index finger, showing the index finger. So Tarjayantibhyaha Mahilabhyaha, that boy is
Afraid.
right. So Bhitaha, so from which you are afraid, it is also Apadana. You can, by reading all the sentences. Bhitrarthanam Bhaya Hetu. That from which one requires protection or that one is afraid of gets a sanya, gets a name, some Apadana. Apadana will be Panchami. That's why Vyagritaha, Shunakitaha, all this Taha. Now Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti is Sambandha Shashti. But there are Karaka Shashtis also, even though in the beginning we say Shashti is not a Karaka, but it is not true. Shashti can be a Karakam. Also, we have Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. There are so many Shashtis are there. Nirdharana Shashti. And Shashti, of course, Shashti, when no other Vibhakti than Shashti Sheshe. Satashashti, like Sati Saptami, Satashashti also is there. Sambandha Shashti, that is common Shashti. So Yetat Yeshaha Yesha Kasyaha iti Vakya Rupena Nirdishata. Suchya Shabdaha tu Adaha Nirdishtaha Santi. Kridanti Valika Lekani. Lekani belongs to whom? To the girl who is playing. So Kridantyaha Balikayaha Yesha Lekani. Can read the sentence like that. Simple one. Please try.
गच्छन्त्याः महिलायाः एतत् पुस्तकम्.
Yes.
असन्ति सा पुत्रः. असन्त्याः तस्याः पुत्रः एषः.
Yes. Jyoti.
निवसन्त्याः तस्या अष्टम मार्गे निवसन्त्याः तस्याः आपणः.
Yeah. Ashtamarge Nivasantyaha Tasyaha Apanaha Eshaha Apanaha.
एषः आपणः.
निद्रां कुर्वती भगिनी स्यूतः. It will be निद्रां कुर्वत्याः भगिन्याः स्यूतः एषः.
Yeah. It is Kurvati. You are pronouncing as Kurvati. Before also. Kurvati.
Okay.
Ku. Rasva, not Dirgha.
Okay. कुर्वत्याः.
Nidram Kurvatyaha Bhaginyaha Yeshaha Syutaha. Next sentence.
जल्पन्त्याः गृहिण्याः एतत् गृहम्.
Next is वस्तूनि क्रीणति एषा पतिः. So वस्तूनि क्रीणत्याः. Is it एतस्याः पतिः?
Yes. Etasyaha Yeshaha Patihi. This is the husband of the woman, this woman who is buying the objects, things. Okay, next sentence.
नर्तकीनां नृत्यन्तीनां नर्तकीनां
Etani nupurani.
Etani nupurani.
Nupura is anklets, right?
Anklets.
Nupurani. Next one.
भाषणं शृण्वत्यः महिलाः पादरक्षाः. So it will be भाषणं. Is it शृण्वतीनां महिलानां
Shrimatinam Mahilanam.
पादरक्षाः एताः.
You can say Padarakshaha. Ete Padarakshaha. Padaraksha, take it as a pulling. Padarakshaha. Ete Padarakshaha. Okay, next sentence.
Mahilanam गृहकार्यं कुर्वतीनां महिलानां एषः पाकः.
Yes. Gragaryam Kurvatina. Next sentence.
क्रीडन्त्यः बालिकाः कोलाहलः. So क्रीडन्तीनां बालिकानां कोलाहलः एषः.
Yeshaha Kolahalaha. Now Saptami. Saptami is Adhikarana Saptami. We are seeing Sati Saptami also. We will see. Here it is simple. Adhikarana. Stulaksharehi Nirdishtam. Bold letters. Pratama Vibhaktyantam. Shatranta Strilinga Padam. Tad Visheshana Padam Cha. Niryak Rekaya. Apaniya Saptami Bhakti Rupagi. Ruktastanam Poragata. Tiryak. Sorry. I'm not able to see it properly. Tiryak Rekaya. So Patanti Petika dash Vastrani Santi. Petika box which falls. What is there in that Vastrani? So Patantyam Petikayam Tadvat. These two.
नद्यां so प्रवहन्त्यां वेगेन प्रवहन्त्यां नद्यां मीनाः सन्ति.
Yes. Vegena Pravahantyam Nadyam Minaha Santi. Yes. Next sentence. Why blank is given? Okay, I think you have to write this. No, nothing to be filled. Converting the bold letters Stolaksharani into Saptami Vakti Rup. Yes.
Okay. Next is प्रतिदिनम् अत्र आगच्छन्त्याम् अस्यां बहवः गुणाः सन्ति.
Yes. Yes, many qualities who comes here every day.
Every day.
Pratidinam is indeclinable, no? Abhyam it is. Pratidinam. Dinam dinam prati. Okay. Next sentence.
नृत्यन्त्यां नर्तक्यां विशेषकौशलमस्ति.
Yes. Vishesha Kaushalam is extra talent.
Special extra talent.
Some talent. She's got some talent. Skilled person.
Next one, Kuji.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah. कार्यं कुर्वन्त्यां पुत्र्यां
Kurvantyam again. You see, Kurvantyam.
Okay. कुर्वन्त्यां पुत्र्यां मातुः विशेषप्रीतिः.
Yeah. Karyam Kurvantyam Putrya Matu. What is the meaning?
I think there is a special love of the mother to the daughter who is working.
Matu what vibhakti? Shashti. Mother has special love for the daughter who works. Even though in English we say who for the daughter who is working, who works, but Sanskritam it becomes sampradana, apadana, adhikarana. Right? Kurvatyam putriyam matuhu vishesha pritihi asti karyam kurvatyam putriyam. Right? So matuhu shashtiya bhakti. Vishesha pritihi asti. Vishesha pritihi subject. Kasya matuh. Then kasyam, then putriyam. Kidrishyam putriyam, then karyam kurvatyam putriyam. Okay. That's the next sentence.
Bhaktayaam. So पूजयन्त्यां भक्तायां देवः कृपां प्रदर्शयति.
Yes. Simple one. Okay.
Next one, asatyam katayantyam tasyam mama tu vishwasah nasti.
Mama vishwasah. Same way before also. Matuhu vishesha pritihi. I don't have vishwasa. Vishwasa is faith. In whom? The person who tells lies. Asatyam. In the woman actually. Katayanti. In that person, in the woman. In the sa is in her. Simple. In her. Who speaks lies. Next sentence.
सम्यक् पठन्ति. So पठन्तिषु एतासु का प्रथम स्थानं प्राप्नुयात्.
Yeah. Patam patantishu etasu.
एतासु.
Ka pratamastanam praptya. This is, yes. Among these, this is Nirdharana Saptami. Yes. Among these students, some students who study well, Ka, who attained the first rank. Yeah. Next sentence.
Karyam kurvantishu tasu vivekah sarvata nasti.
Yes, the karyam is that should not be done. Karyam is opposite of karyam. It's not absence of karyam. All these are nunj, negative only, but the nunj itself has got many meanings. Akaryam, na karyam, akaryam. Karyam means work. Akaryam is no work, no. Karyam is that should be done. Akaryam that should not be done. It is adharma ityartha. So akaryam here is equal to adharma, adharmam. Kurvatyam tasyam. Vivekaha sarvata nasti. Always viveka is not there. Okay, next sentence.
पाठं पठन्तिषु अस्मासु नन्दिनी प्रथमा.
This is also Nirdharana Saptami.
निर्धारण सप्तमी.
Patam patantishu asmasu. Nandini is the first. Okay, next one.
Shraddhaya karyam kurvantishu tasu dosham kimartam pashyati bhavan.
Understand the meaning?
Why are you finding fault, is it?
Yes. Bhavan, kimartam dosham pashyati kasu shraddhaya karyam kurvatishu tasu. Kimartam bhavan dosham pashyati. Okay. Fine. Next one, Mishra Vakya. That we'll see in the next class. All the vibhaktis are mixed up. So you'll see that. Let's stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।